Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, rainy season is the best time for growing any plant. But there is just one problem, which is pest attack. Pests such as mealybugs, aphids, etc. may harm the growth of your plant. So it is better to remove them at first. Today I'll be talking about mealybug attack. We had earlier uploaded many videos on this mealybug attack. But that was old, so that's why we thought of uploading a new updated video. As you know, it is better to remove them as soon as we spot it. But then the question arrives, how do we know if our plant has mealybug attack or not? If your plant has mealybug attack, you'll see ants on your pot. Don't worry, these ants will not harm your plant in any way. Instead, they are here to eat the mealybugs. As my mom saw ants in her plant, my mom thought to check the plant. And there she found the mealybugs. Do you know mealybugs suck out all the juices from the plant, from which the plant dries out and slowly dies. So that's why it's better to remove them as soon as we spot it. Removing it is very easy. Just take a soft bristle brush and brush out the areas where there is mealybug attack. It is very easy to do. Here my mom has brushed out all the mealybugs in a container. Now like this we cannot just throw it in our garden because they may harm the plant again. So make sure to kill them with soap water or throw them somewhere far away from the garden. Now I'll be telling you how you can prevent this mealybug attack. Just take some expired yogurt which is sour and then add some water. You must add water to dilute the solution. Then just simply spray it on the plants like this. Trust me, this will help your plants. The sour yogurt will also help as a fertilizer on your plants. If you want to know about any other homemade pesticide, then make sure to visit our channel as we told tons of homemade pesticides. And you can easily make it in your home with your waste items. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.